Welcome to 287 North Poverty Road in Southbury. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2,800 square foot Colonial has so many features. I can't wait to show you all of them. We might have to break this into 2-part video because there's so many cool upgrades. Let's go check it out. So inside here on the main level, we have this beautiful living room. You'll see the custom millwork around this propane fireplace, the beautiful recessed lights. It is an awesome spot to entertain, plenty of room for the TV. We have a little home office set up in here, a giant sectional. There's room for everybody. You could be relaxing, working, and playing all under one room. It's a great use of space. You have to see it, but my favorite part of this house is the next thing I'm gonna show you, which is the Gourmet kitchen. Here in the Gourmet kitchen, you will see this giant island that you love to prep your meals with the downdraft hood, the cooktop, the double ovens, a huge pantry. There's a beautiful area to eat in and dine right in the kitchen, as well as another room that's currently used as a dining room with a beautiful fireplace. It is such a perfect home to entertain in. We have laundry with a half bath right to my right off of the living room. And then to my left on the other side of the dining room, we have an awesome area for the primary. That's what I'm excited to show you next. Let's go check it out. Now we are in the primary wing of the house. On the primary side, you have a primary bedroom, a primary closet that is out of a magazine, and a beautifully updated primary bath. This used to be the 5th bedroom, and the current homeowner converted it into this massive closet. Everything can fit. You have a giant table for folding and putting everything away, laying out everything so you could get your day planned. It is an amazing spot you will be proud to call your closet. Every holiday will be here at your new home. This is the perfect spot to have everybody. This giant dining room table can accommodate everyone in the family right off the kitchen. It is such a warm and inviting place. Again, with this beautiful woodwork mantle, another propane insert. Can't you picture yourself being here for the holidays? So now we are upstairs where you will find 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. There is so much attention to detail up here. I want to go show you my favorite, which is the room directly in front of me. Let's look at all the nooks and crannies and cool things in there next. So upstairs, we are in the 2nd primary. This is the upstairs primary with another walk-in closet, with another full bath, with a cool little alcove, with some cool ceiling details. This is such a great place to call home. My favorite thing about this whole property is what I'm gonna show you next, which is the beautiful upgraded patio outside with your private backyard. So now we have to go out to go see that. Come with me. Here in the backyard, you will see what a beautiful place it is to unwind. From the great fire pit in front of me to the massive patio. It is such a great spot to unwind, relax, and entertain. It is private in the backyard with very mature trees. It is an absolute dream home that you don't want to miss. Call today to set up a showing. You can call the listing agent direct, Greg Milo. His phone number is below. It is such an amazing property. It's not going to last. Get in there today. I'm Dave Jones with Dave Jones Realty. Thank you for joining.